Welcome back to another edition of Agricultural Science. Today we'll be talking about the topic classification of farm animals. In this class, we'll be discussing on the meaning of farm animals, the basis for classifying farm animals, that is based on the body morphology, based on their size, based on their living environment, based on their stomach type, as well as their mode of reproduction. Then we will be talking about some of the uses of farm animals. So let's go into the class proper as we discuss the meaning of farm animals. Now, farm animals are animals that are domesticated by man. The animals are kept because they are useful in many ways to man. And some of the produce are milk, meat, and eggs used as food. Otherwise, some of these animals are used as pleasure, and some are used as work animals. Some of these animals are cattle, pig, sheep, rabbit, goat, and poultry. There are some other domestic animals such as turkey, the goose, the pigeons, and the others were used for other purposes. Now, the basis for classifying farm animals, they are classified according to their body morphology, they're classified according to their size, they're classified according to their living environment, they are classified according to their stomach type, and they are also classified based on their mode of production. Now, according to their body morphology, on the basis of the body morphology, they are classified according to mammals, birds, and fishes. Generally, farm animals are animals with backbones. They can either be warm-blooded or cold-blooded. Now, mammals, these are animals that give birth to their young ones alive, and the young ones are fed milk from the mammary gland. And mammals are animals that are made up of fur, skin, hair, and wool. The animals in this group are referred to as warm-blooded animals. That is, the body of the animal does not change with the environment they live in. Examples of such animals that are mammals are goats, cattle, rabbits, sheep, and donkeys. Now, the birds, these are animals that have wings and feathers. They lay eggs which later hatch to young ones. Birds are also warm-blooded animals like mammals. Examples of birds are the fowl, geese, pigeon, the turkey, and ducks. The fish is one of the animals that lives in water. It is a cold-blooded vertebrate. The body of the fish is covered with scales. Now, classification according to their size. Animals are classified based on large animals, medium-sized animals, and small-sized animals. Large-sized animals are animals that are tall and mostly fat. They are relatively big in size, and examples of such large animals include the cattle, the horses, camels. Medium-sized animals, they are animals that are average in size, and some of these animals that are domesticated by man, which are medium-sized, include the sheep, the goat, the pig, the donkey, as well as dogs. The small-sized animals. These are animals that are small in size and are easy to house or manage. Some of these animals include the poultry, the rabbits, the guinea pig, the fish, the snails, cats, and etc. Now, according to their living environment or habitat, on the basis of living environment, farm animal can be grouped into two. That is, the aquatic animals and the terrestrial animals. Now, the aquatic animals, these are farm animals that live in water. They get food and oxygen necessary for survival from the water. They are able to live in water because they are cold-blooded, and they have scales all over the body as well as fins for movement in water. Now, the terrestrial animals. These are farm animals that live on land. Majority of farm animals are in this group. They are adapted to live on land. For instance, the possession of legs is to enable movement on land. Now, according to their stomach type, farm animals are classified into ruminants and non-ruminant animals. Ruminant animals are animals that eat mainly grass and chew the cud. This set of farm animals have complex or 4-compartment stomach. These compartments are the rumen, the reticulum, the abomasum, and the omasum. And the abomasum is referred to as the true stomach. Non-ruminant animals. These are animals with simple stomach just like man. The food eaten by non-ruminant animals is completely chewed in the mouth with the help of the teeth before it is swallowed into the stomach. Now, non-ruminant animals feed mainly on grains and roots and tubers. Examples of non-ruminants are the rabbits, the pigs, the poultry, and the horses. Now, according to their mode of reproduction, we have mammals and non-mammals. Mammals are farm animals that have backbones, hairs, fur, and skin, as well as wool. They give birth to their young ones alive, and their young ones are fed milk from the mammary gland. Now, the non-mammals. These are animals that have wings or scales. They are not able to give birth to their young ones alive. They lay eggs and later hatch their young ones. Examples of non-mammals are the poultry, the fish, the snails. So now let's talk about a few of the uses of farm animals, some of which are food for man. The products from farm animals serve as food for man, such as the meat from poultry, the milk from cattle, and the eggs from poultry as well, which is used as food for man. Now, farm animals are also used for clothing. The product from farm animal skin, such as wool, fur, is used in the making of clothing materials. Clothing materials like belts, shoes, bags, and other. Farm animals are used as manure. The feces from farm animals are sources of plant nutrients when added to the soil. The droppings from poultry and the dungs from cattle, goats, and sheep are common forms of manure applied to the soil by farmers for crop production. Now, industrial raw materials. Animal products such as horns and hooves are used in the manufacture of combs, glues, buttons, and other useful products in the industry. Fats from animals such as pigs are used in the manufacture of candles. Now, work animals. Farm animals serve as a source of power for doing farm work, such as tillage operation and carriage. Now we've come to the end of this class. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye-bye.